we talk about how can you find your withdrawal on your pocket option app, or you go to figure out the solution, know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on photo profile, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on finance here, you just click on it. So when you click on finance here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on withdrawal here, just click on it. When you click here on withdrawal here, it's going to take you to this list. Here you will find it. You will find free balance in the maximum withdrawal amount and commissions here. So I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.